In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Dropbox Dark Mode. If the dark theme isn't working for you and you prefer a brighter look, I'll walk you through switching back to light on both the website and the desktop app so everything feels familiar and easy on the eyes. Let's start in a web browser. Open dropbox.com and log into your account. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the page and click your avatar. This might be your profile picture or your initials. In that menu, hover over the option labeled Theme. You'll see choices appear right there. Click Light Mode. The change happens instantly and your interface should switch to a lighter look without needing to reload the page. If you don't see the theme option right away, make sure you're in the main Dropbox interface rather than a settings subpage and try opening the avatar menu again. This setting applies to your web experience specifically, so if you also use the desktop app, we'll set that separately next. Now for the desktop app on Windows and Mac. On Windows, click the Dropbox icon in your taskbar near the bottom right of your screen to open the app's menu. From there, click your avatar, then choose Preferences. In the Preferences window, go to the General tab, look for the Theme section and select Light. The moment you choose Light, the app should switch right away. You can close Preferences when you're done. If you're using a Mac, the steps in the desktop app are the same. Open Preferences, head to the General tab, find Theme, and select Light. The change is immediate. If you don't see a theme option in Preferences, make sure your app is up to date and that you're viewing the General tab, not one of the advanced sections. A couple of quick tips as you switch. Some versions of Dropbox also show an option to match your system theme. If you want to guarantee a bright interface regardless of your computer's settings, make sure Light is selected, not the system option. Also, note that web and desktop theme settings are independent, so you'll want to change both if you use both regularly. That's all it takes. You've turned off dark mode on the Dropbox website and set the desktop app to light. Enjoy the cleaner, brighter interface and feel free to switch back anytime using the same menus. Thanks for watching.